Tom was sick. But he sneaked out to play.
Yes, I made it out.
But,
I really don't feel good right now.
so, what should you do when you are sick?
Ugh, it's so cold. My nose won't stop running, and I feel really tired right now. Man, that sneeze came out of nowhere. I hate being sick. I just want to feel normal again. Hey, Tom! The weather's great. Let's go to the park and have some fun. I feel awful, but it does sound fun. Okay, maybe just a little while. I'll be fine. Awesome! Hurry up! I will be outside. I shouldn't be doing this, but I really don't want to miss out.
Tom, stop right there. Where do you think you are going?
I was just going out for a minute.
You're sick, buddy. You need to stay home and rest.
You don't look good, Tom. You really shouldn't go out. Okay, I understand. I'll stay inside.
Please be good and get some rest, okay?
Just a quick trip. No one will notice.
Tom, what did we just say?
All right. I'm going back.
Anna, stay here and keep an eye on him.
Don't worry. I've got this. I promise I won't go anywhere. I really need to use the bathroom. Okay, but I'm coming with you. Can you turn around? This is really embarrassing. Fine, but don't try anything. Now's my chance. Hey, Tom, what are you doing? Sorry, Anna. I'll explain later.
These flowers really need more water today.
This light is perfect for taking photos.
Okay, stay calm. Don't get caught. This might actually work. Yes, I made it out. Tom, you came. I knew it. Yeah, I made it. This is so much fun! Wait. I need a break. I really don't feel good right now.
Tom, we finally found you.
I'm sorry. I messed up.
You're burning up. Let's check your temperature. Yeah, you definitely have a fever. Drink this slowly. It will help.
Thank you, Mom. Do I really have to take the medicine?
Yes, you do.
If you drink it, I'll do my silly dance again. Okay. I'll drink it. It's actually not that bad.
Get some rest now.
Wow, I actually feel much better. Looks like the rest really worked.
So, let's talk about what we learned.
When you're sick, you need to tell us.
And you shouldn't go out to play when you're sick.
Medicine and rest are really important. I know I was wrong. I'm really sorry for sneaking out.
We are just glad you're okay.
We love you.
I promise I will listen next time. Good choice, little brother. Staying home isn't that bad after all. Next time, I will rest like I'm supposed to.
That's all we wanted to hear.
Yes, your health comes first.
I get it now.
And no more toilet paper tricks.
Resting actually feels pretty nice. I feel safe at home. Feeling better? Much better. Thanks for taking care of me, Anna. That's what family is for.
Well, everything's back to normal now.
The park can wait. My health is more important.
And that's how Tom learned to take better care of himself.